Look at all of this snow. And yes, it's still Florida. This is Pensacola, Florida.
On January 21st, 2025, Winter Storm Enzo brought an unexpected and historic snowfall to Florida, a state unaccustomed to such winter extremes. The storm left significant impacts across the southeastern United States, particularly along the Gulf Coast, causing widespread disruptions and prompting statewide emergency measures. For the first time in recorded history, blizzard warnings were issued for parts of the Gulf Coast, including the Florida Panhandle. Cities like Pensacola and Gulf Breeze reported up to 6 inches of snow.
We have 4 inches of snow right now.
Snowfall began in northern Florida on Tuesday afternoon, transforming the landscape into an unusual winter scene, surpassing the previous state record of 5.5 inches from 1954.
January 21st, 21, 25, Pensacola, Florida. Been snowing since about 11, 12.
Careful.
The heavy snowfall caused major disruptions in transportation. Key highways, including sections of Interstate 10, were shut down due to dangerous road conditions.
Look at this. Pensacola, Florida. We are getting hit with a snowstorm.
Authorities issued warnings to avoid travel, especially along heavily impacted routes. Air travel was also hit hard, with thousands of flight cancellations, notably at major airports serving the region.
As much as we loved Alaska, we did not move to Alaska. This is Pensacola. Can y'all believe that?
In response to the severe weather, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis declared a state of emergency, activating resources to aid affected areas. Schools and universities in Tallahassee, such as Florida State University, canceled classes.
Moment of truth. Put in the middle. Oh my gosh. Right there, guys. 8 inches on my table.
Oh, yours is straight on ice. Oh!
While state officials urged residents to stay indoors, non-essential workers were sent home early as a precaution against the cold and dangerous travel conditions.
Of night shall stay these trustees. That's a tale. It's no mail today.
Cogiendo los dólares en la Florida, ¿no? Puro dólar blanco.
The storm's effects extended beyond Florida to neighboring states like Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, where snow accumulations ranged from 3 to 6 inches, with some areas experiencing up to 10 inches.
This is freaking crazy. Welcome to Florida.
Notably, New Orleans received its heaviest snowfall since 1963, with more than 9 inches blanketing the city. Tragically, the storm resulted in several fatalities due to exposure and accidents caused by the severe weather.
This is.
We are expected to continue to snow for a couple more hours. Whew. Sure is pretty. Glad we don't get it all the time, though.
Here in the state of Florida and Brandon, Tampa Bay area, Armwood High School and Brandon High School, we have not seen snow like this since 1977.
Meteorologists attribute this rare event to shifts in Arctic weather patterns, specifically the weakening of the polar vortex and jet stream, which allowed cold Arctic air to move southward.
There's no distinction between the street and the driveway. Mailman has not run. You know how they say neither sleet nor snow nor gloom?
These atmospheric changes are linked to the warming Arctic, leading to more frequent and intense weather anomalies. The event underscores the importance of preparedness for unusual weather events, even in traditionally warmer regions.
In the state of Florida, that I've seen anyways. Isn't this crazy? Look at this. Woohoo!
It is straight spinning.
I'm stuck in the yard.
Oh my God.
Winter Storm Enzo's impact on Florida and the broader Gulf Coast region highlights the growing need for adaptive strategies in the face of changing climate patterns.
Wow. Okay, and they said we're probably going to get 4 inches or more today here in the beautiful sunshine state of Florida.
The storm serves as a reminder that even areas not typically prone to severe winter weather must be prepared for the unexpected as climate disruptions continue to pose new challenges.
My goodness. Awesome blossom. Oh my goodness. People, I know y'all who I went to school with